Whenever you go on social media, you probably notice these AI looking posts, right? And you want to create an automation to run your social media, but they always look like AI. How do you fix that? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this human in the loop idea, which means that essentially, instead of letting the AI agent just post willy-nilly, instead you get to decide whether it looks good or not. For example, here, the initial idea that I had come up with was this here with emojis, and it just looked awful. It looks completely fake. And instead, it has this one-liner here, which looks much slicker, much better. So, let's get into the tutorial. We have up here up the top, when a chat message is received, go to this AI agent and then post to Twitter. So the example here I had written is break down LLMs, and then it has written this here right now. I look at that and I go, that looks awful, it looks AI generated, I do not want that to be what appears. But that's what this does, it automatically will post it. The way to get around that, you can see there's this here human in the loop. So if we click on human in the loop here, you can see that you can add Discord, Gmail, Google Chat, Outlook, Teams, email, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp, right? So a bunch of different things you could like. Basically what happens here is that you will get sent like a form which will have this chat input from down here, and then that form you can then approve or deny it. So there's a bunch here. The easiest one to integrate is Telegram, possibly Slack, possibly Discord. You can do Gmail as well, but it's a bit awkward to go back and forth with your Gmails. Whereas the Telegram is super simple. So that's the one we're going to show you how to do it today. And I'll show you how to set it up properly, because it's not as simple as this one node, unfortunately. But don't worry, this template will be inside of my free school community. So if you didn't know, for 10k subscribers, I've launched a brand new free community. And on this free community, AI Automation Hub, you can go into the classroom, get into templates, and every single template from the channel is on here. For example, yesterday we put out VO3, so you can now do video generation on autopilot. And now the thing here is everyone was showing you how to do it on autopilot. I added in this human in the loop to show you that you can actually specify what you want to generate and make sure that it looks good before you do it. Anyway, let's come back here. So this will be posted in that free school community. We have here our human in the loop. Instead of this Telegram one here, you want to have this entire process. And I'll hide this chat and I'll show you why. So this here, as you've seen, it needs a chat ID, which means that we have to make the trigger. So this chat trigger should actually be this Telegram trigger here. Now, additionally, this message, once you send it, so think about it this way, once you then approve it, it will then move forward. If you decline it, where does it go next? Well, it has to get reevaluated. Now, depending on the complexity, depends on whether you could just route it straight back in here. But I like to have an actual human in the loop agent that controls the changes from the human in the loop. Why? Because it means that then you can, instead of just looping this background, which is a bit kind of dodgy anyway, you can actually assign it comments. So we'll hook it up and we'll show you. Cool, so we're all hooked up. So what's going to happen now is whenever you send your message, instead of sending it here or try to get the URL for that, instead you have Telegram here. And this is the reason that I use Telegram. It's so simple and powerful. Once it's set up, you just follow the documentation for n8n. You can then now chat here and it will come straight through to here. So if we start, for example, this YouTube chatbot, what we can do is we can test this workflow. So if we click test step, it will listen and wait for our message. So let me clear this chat history and we'll just say something like start, and there you go. I can see it started this here. And boom, you can see that's green. That's because it has gotten the message and it got the text start. Cool. So the reason I want to show you that is because then in here, we want to change the prompt just to this new text from Telegram. Boom, just like that. Now we have the system message for writing tweets. That's cool. We have this prompt, write me a tweet about, and then passing in that text there. If you're trying to build AI automations to save you time, make you money, sell to clients, and you don't know where to start, the best place is AI Automation Pro. Here I've created this for entrepreneurs and builders to actually learn the fundamentals of AI, of technology, of n8n, to build your own custom workflows and agents. Now, in addition to this, I do offer a free consultation initially where you fill out a form and I'll get back to you with the exact workflow that you need to build to then fit your needs to, well, sell to clients, save yourself time. Now, if you have any problems at any point in time, I have 24-hour tickets where you just submit your issue and we have a 100% technical solution guarantee. Not only that, but for launch, we now have a way to make money directly in the community. Literally just by talking to other people, you can make $15, $10 or $5 every single week. Meaning in a month, you can make $60 to $75 just by being a part of the community and helping other people out in here. So if you're interested, it'll be the first link in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Right, so let's test this workflow out. We'll say something like vector databases, send that in, and the trigger will then go to the agent. That agent will then come up with this tweet, and you can see it's already here, rapid. So we have this respond button, we can click on here, and it will open up a form where we can either approve or decline. We'll go with decline, and instead we'll say, remove the emojis and make it shorter, like 1 sentence. And then submit that, and if we come back over here, we'll see that was moved into the feedback agent, boom, back round, and there we go. So vector database enable faster, blah, blah, blah. And we can respond here, open that up, you can approve, submit, and this time, boom, straight to the X one. And there we go, I'll have to change that because I changed the stuff. So if we come back here to, which one, if, Telegram merge, so we'll go to merge, up here, get that output, put it in there, test that step, bam. We'll then have tweeted or X posted this new thing. Let's refresh, and there we go. So it has been posted here. And it is literally that simple, but you can see how powerful this is. And so I don't suggest making this every time. What I suggest you do, set up Telegram, right? And you would set up possibly a new one per workflow that you're going to actually use. And then just download this template and put it in just like that. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you for more tips and tricks and tutorials in the next one.